My color.
That ain't your color. But hold on, put it back on.
Oh, put it back on. Shoot.
Since you want to come, you don't want to cut the class.
Well,
I want to make a wig.
I'm like,
that fit me.
Okay,
I'm only making wigs for me.
Put this band on first.
Remember, you said I'm only making this wig for me. It's not even styled.
Not yet, anyway.
You got a black cap on.
Yeah.
So you're going to be a queen diva. Like.
I'm going to be a queen diva as soon as it's a lot of parts to these wigs. This is part 1. So now, bleaching and dyeing.
And plucking.
And plucking.
Then styling.
And then styling. And I'm not cutting it. I'm leaving this length.
You might cut it a little bit.
Cut it a little bit. Yeah, probably once I get a flat iron, it'll probably end up looking like that.
Okay.
Yeah, something like that. I like that.
Okay.
But yeah, this is...
So you're finished. You finished the class.
I finished the class.
You made your wig.
I made my first wig. I am very excited. It fits my head. It's comfortable. I don't feel no gathers, no nothing. All I feel is my braids underneath. That's amazing. It really is.
And you
usually when I have a wig on, I can feel a lot of excess right here. A lot of excess. I feel nothing. I feel nothing. I did it. We did.
And, once we part it right, get it styled, you got your braids down. But once you flatten it out, customize the hairline. And, of course, the only reason why you're looking crazy because, again, you have a black cap on under there and not a natural cap.
Exactly.
So, you looking like, Planet of the Apes.
And then I have to pluck first.
Right.
Pluck. I need to pluck before I even consider coloring and dyeing, right?
You can do it after you bleach the knots.
Okay.
While it's wet, you can do your customization.
But
so tell me.
This feels good.
So you finished the class. Tell me what you learned while in the class.
I've learned how to use a sewing machine. Let's say that first and foremost. I think with some more practice, I'll be even more comfortable. I've learned how to take the measurements and put them on is this called a dome head? Head. I've learned how to even, if it's a bit big, I've learned how to customize it down, a half an inch or something like that there. I also learned how to backstitch, forward stitch. That locks secures the wefts in place. And how to put on a band as well to make it glueless, right?
So what would you tell the next you coming to this class?
That they should definitely take it. Your class is awesome. I mean, you're very detailed, thorough. We're over time, but you would not let me leave until this wig was complete. And now it is. You've done your part, Miss Yoli. You have constructed a wig for me.
I have constructed. I didn't make that wig.
Well, with your help.
You made that.
With your help, I was able to
able
to create my own custom wig for the first time.
Look at you.
So, yes, kudos to you, Miss Yoli.
Oh my God.
You are awesome.
Somebody who never wore a wig.
No.
Never used a sewing machine. Got all that lovely, beautiful hair under there.
Yep. Tired of combing it, wanted something different. I want to be able to throw on something like this and keep it moving. Yes, ma'am. That's why I took this class. And potentially to make a couple of dollars if it allows me to, So I got to keep on constructing and practicing at these wigs, and maybe I'll have me a client or two soon.